Are you also running a business where you're manually adding your leads to the CRM? Then you're totally wasting your time because this task can be completely automated by just using an automation tool that is Pabbly Connect. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add your Google Sheet leads to the HubSpot CRM. So now let me firstly show you what I'm talking about. So for that, let's move on towards my Google Sheet where I'm going to make a new entry. So here I have made a new entry providing the first name as Smart, last name as user, email as smart@pabblytudes.com, and here I have entered the phone number. And now let's move on towards my HubSpot CRM contacts page to check whether we are receiving this lead over there or not. So right here I'm on the contacts page of HubSpot CRM. So here I can't see any of the lead named as Smart user. Now let me refresh this page and see whether we get that user or not. So right here you can see that we are successfully receiving our lead, for which I have just made a new entry over the Google Sheet named as Smart user and the same email too. So now you can see that as soon as I have made a new entry over the Google Sheet, a contact is automatically created to the HubSpot CRM, which is helping me and my business to save the time, and I don't have to manually do this work again and again because this automation is going to do so, and it will help your business to reduce all your manual workload. So now you can also use Pabbly Connect and integrate your thousands of applications by using it. So now let me show you how to create this amazing automation. And for that you have to move towards the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for free inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the dashboard page, where for creating a new workflow we just have to click over this create workflow button, and here I'm going to create it using Quick Builder. So this is the new workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, where you don't have to select trigger or action application. You just have to provide a prompt to this AI, and this will automatically make the setup for those applications. So here I'm going to enter the prompt as connect Google Sheets to HubSpot CRM, and here I'm going to select the trigger of my Google Sheet as new or updated spreadsheet row, and here I'm going to select my HubSpot CRM action as create a contact. Now let's approve it, and now let's open our workflow. So right here I'm on the workflow page where you can see that my both applications are already integrated, and right here I'm going to select my Google Sheets through which I'm going to receive my new leads, and here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, so that as soon as we add the data over the Google Sheet, the data can be fetched by Pabbly Connect. So now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet which I have already created. So right here you can see that this is the Google Sheet through which I'm going to receive the data, and its name is leads data. And right here I have added some columns, that is first name, last name, email, and the phone number, and here the last data column is phone number. Now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move towards the extensions where you have to select add-ons, and here you have to select get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace where you have to search for the app, that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And right here you can see that this app is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions, where you will see this option of Pabbly Connect webhooks, where you have to select this initial setup, and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box, where you have to add the webhook URL and enter the trigger column. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I have just received from my Pabbly Connect, and now in the place of trigger column I'm going to add the last data column of my Google Sheet. So here the last data column is D. So here I have entered it. Now let's submit it. And here you can see that my setup has been configured successfully. Now we just have to send a test data to the Pabbly Connect. So for that, let's make a new entry in our Google Sheet. So right here I have made the new entry providing the first name as demo, last name user, email, phone number, and here I'm going to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect. So as we have made the connection, now let's send this test data, and as I have clicked over this send test, my test data has been sent successfully. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this test data over there or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 1 second ago we have received this response, and this response consists of all the fields which I have just filled over my Google Sheet. So here we have successfully captured the response, and now you have to perform one more task, that is you have to go towards the Google Sheet, and here you have to go towards extensions, select Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that you don't have to send the data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect can automatically fetch the data, and right here it is enabled. And now as soon as you will make a new entry over the Google Sheet, the data will be automatically captured. Now let's select HubSpot CRM, and right here I'm going to make the new connection. And here we are on the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection. And if you want to build a new connection, then you can just click over this add new connection. Now let's connect with HubSpot CRM, and right here I'm going to select my HubSpot CRM account. And now here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting all these fields. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually fill these fields like this. But no, I'm not going to do so, because here I'm going to perform the magic of the Pabbly Connect. And that magic is mapping. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from my Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and this slash symbol, and right here we are getting our previous application. So from the response of the Google Sheets, I'm going to map the email of my lead. And now in the next, I'm going to map the first name. So here I have got the first name which I'm going to map. Now let's map the another field as well. So here I'm going to map the last name of my lead, and now here I'm going to map the mobile or the phone number too. So here I have mapped all these fields, and now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new entry received over your Google Sheet. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and right here you can see that we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a contact might be created. So now let's move on towards my HubSpot CRM account and check it. So right here I'm on my HubSpot CRM contacts page, which I'm going to just refresh. And here you can see that we are successfully receiving this lead having the name demo user, email demo@pabblytudes.com. So here you can see that we are successfully receiving the same lead which we have just entered over the Google Sheet. So now you can also create this amazing automation which is going to reduce all your manual workload. And now you don't have to manually add your leads to the CRM, because this automation is going to do so. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. and don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.